Hi guys, I'm here with Spencer.
Hi everyone.
So we're gonna vlog a little today. We are currently at my university because I need to go buy my cap and gown because I did finish my master's
It was like last
summer, but like obviously because of, you know, the virus and the pandemic and everything that was happening, they kept postponing the grad ceremony. So like now I feel like a whole bunch of people are just graduating. So yeah, I'm gonna participate in the ceremony. So I do need to get my cap and gown. So we're gonna go ahead and go grab that. But yeah, we'll go ahead and vlog you guys after, just because I don't know how fast it's gonna be. I might insert some clips that I'll take from my phone. But yeah, I think that's all we're doing right now. And then hopefully we go get food afterwards, right, babe?
Of course.
Yes.
I love food. And so does my girlfriend.
Yes.
And I've got to make her happy.
Of course. So we're going to go ahead and head over there, and then we'll vlog you guys later.
All right. Bye.
Hi guys. So we are at Spencer's house right now. We are about to eat. We got Rubio's, and we're going to watch The Good Place, and then we're going to go back to my house to pick up the puppies, and we are going to take them out to the park. Oh, and we're going to clean too. We're going to clean. I'm going to help Spencer clean his house. So I'll probably film a little bit of that.
To believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna.
Hi guys, so we are currently at the mall. We're going to actually head to Pandora because we are going to get Spencer's niece a present for her birthday, and we're gonna go to Pandora. Sorry, the lighting got really bad. We're gonna go to Pandora. There's Spencer right there. But yeah, we're gonna head over there. We'll go ahead and I'll see if I can like take some clips of the Pandora store. But yeah, we're just gonna head in there and we're just gonna check things out, see what they have available, because we have kind of an idea as to what we want to get her, but obviously like whatever they have, right? So I'll go ahead and vlog you guys later. Hi guys, so I need to fix my lipstick, babe, a little bit.
Does that say seafood and gumbo over there?
Yeah, the Lost Cajun. You want to go over there?
Oh shit, we gotta go there sometime.
You want to go over there right now?
Nah, I want french fries right now.
But there's french fries in there too.
Nah, but I want these french fries.
Oh, okay. We should go in there.
Hi guys, we're vlogging, talking about
Hi
french
guys.
fries.
Sorry, it's because we just realized that there is a Cajun place right in front of us. Like, it's called the Lost Cajun, and
It's my favorite food.
Cajun food is Spencer's favorite food. So sorry, there's a person that just walked by and they were judging us so hard. Anyway.
You got embarrassed, didn't you?
I didn't get embarrassed. It's just, babe, they were literally looking at us like this. Look, I was like, oh my gosh. anyways, guys. So yeah, there's like this place called the Lost Cajun right in front of us, and I was like, it's Spencer's favorite food, and I was like, do you want to go there instead? Because Red Robin's like right behind us, and no, Spencer wants to go to Red Robin because he wants the fries from there. Sorry, we were just having some side chatter, but yeah, we're gonna go into Red Robin right now. What word?
Chatter.
Okay. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go into Red Robin right now, and we are going to eat. I will try to like video a little bit of it because I didn't video in Pandora, but we did end up getting some really cute things for Spencer's niece. So yeah.
Anyways, I'm hungry, so vlog you guys later.
Yeah, we'll vlog you guys later. Bye.
You can do better. Let me show you